Hey everybody, it's Dean with the Rhode Island Computer Museum. I'm here in the Learning Lab today, where we're taking a look at our bench of kind of late 70s and 80s microcomputers, and we'll see them all and we'll turn them on. And starting all the way here on the right, we do have our Mac SE. Starts up pretty quick. All right, next up we have our Apple IIe. This setup does have the green monochrome screen on it. And looking on the right, it does have a system saver by Kensington. Just to peek in here, floppy drives are working, and this is the Apple II intro disk. Now, for anyone unaware, this system saver does have a fan on the side. That's the whirling you're hearing. The Apple II by itself does not have a fan in it. And this is the demo you'll get. With that disc, you get this on-screen keyboard, and once it kind of lowers itself down, it's going to start typing for us. So we have it saying, Apple presents something, something, something. All right, so we'll let those two computers run. Next up here, we have our Apple IIc with the Apple IIc monitor. This one is monochrome as well. Turn this on right back here. And I believe this computer, yes it does, this computer has the Oregon Trail floppy in it. Because what lab isn't complete without Oregon Trail? That flashing is just the camera. On the screen it doesn't have that flicker. So as you can see, travel the trail, learn about the trail, see the top 10. Alright, moving over to our next machine, we do have our TI-99 4A. We do have the matching monitor with it. As you can hear, that beeping in the background is the Apple IIe running that demo still. So, turn this on here. And the power switch for the 99 is right here. And we'll let that boot up. It has a cartridge in it, FaceMaker. We do also have a whole selection of cartridges right here. Press return to begin. And we go right from either press 1 for TI Basic, press 1 for FaceMaker. I'm not sure what FaceMaker is. I'm not really sure. And again, that glare and stuff is the TV and the refresh rate, not the actual how it looks. So there you go. Spinnaker presents FaceMaker. Copyright 1983. All right, and our last machine, probably one of the most famous machines from the 80s, is 1982 vintage Commodore 64. Have the machine here, the 1701 display, the floppy drives, and I noticed one thing that I kind of forgot to do, which is my own note down here. I got to get the video cable for this. So we can still turn it on, but unfortunately we're not going to get anything on the screen. But it does boot up fine. I just forgot to plug the video cable in, so I do apologize for that. So once again, this is one of our bench setups we have here at the Rhode Island Computer Museum Learning Lab. The C64, the TI-99, the Apple IIc, the IIe, and the Mac SE. These 5 computers are ready to go pretty much anytime here at the lab when we're open. Come in, sit down, have some 80s computer fun. We've got some games on here you can play as well. If you do like the video, guys, go ahead, give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. And from the museum, we'll see you next time.